Dear students, since we already discussed the theoretical aspects in the previous lesson, so chapter 1 IGCSE, so we'll do some practical questions so that the concepts are clear to you. Okay. So complete the following table. Bought office machinery on credit from DSRs Limited. So what is happening here? What we are supposed to do? Complete the following table. Accounts to be debited, account to be credited. Bought office furniture or bought office machinery on credit from D Isaac Limited. So which account will be debited? Office machinery account will be debited. Why office machinery account will be debited? Because machinery is coming in, right? So machinery, office machinery is an asset. So what is the rule? Debit what comes in? Okay, so debit what comes in. That is the rule, right? So what is the rule? Debit what comes in? Debit what is received or debit what is received. So machinery is received. When you buy office machinery, obviously office machinery is received. So office machinery. Okay, office machinery is received. On credit from D stocks. See, this is how you have to break the transaction for you to understand. Okay, so break the transaction for you to understand. So the concept is clear. From D stocks. So who is D stock? D stock is the person who is giving machine, right? So he is giving machine. He is giving, he is giving machine to the business. So D stock should be credited. Isaac. D Isaacs Limited will be credited. The proprietor paid a creditor C. Jones from his private funds. So what's happening here? So proprietor paid a creditor C. Jones from his private funds. So he's paying from owner is paying out of his private funds. So money is going out, but who is receiving? Creditor. Creditor Mr. C. Jones. Creditor C. Jones. Okay. Creditor C. Jones is receiving. So C. Jones account will be debited. Why? He is receiving. Okay. C. Jones account will be debited because he is receiving. So he is receiving. No? So C. Jones is receiving. So who is the giver? So giver is the owner. So he is the it is the capital owner. Okay. So capital. When the owner gives, we should never write the owner's name, but we have to write it as capital. So we have to write it as capital. So because it is proprietor who is paying the money. So a debtor N Fox paid us in cash. So what is happening? Cash is coming in. Cash is coming in. What is received? Cash is being received. Cash is being received. So who is giving? Fox is the person who is giving. So N Fox is the person who is giving. So N Fox will be credited because he is the giving. He is the person who is giving. So then repaid part of loan by Exeter by check. So what is happening here? Money is going out of bank. Repaid part of loan by Exeter by check. So money is going out of bank. So what you have to do? Bank account will be credited and paid part of loan from P Exeter by check. So we have paid P Exeter. So who is P Exeter? What is he doing? He is receiving. So he is receiving. Debit the person who is receiving. Debit the person who is receiving. So it is P Exeter. So return some office machinery to D Isaacs. So exactly reverse it. That's all. So office machinery to D Isaac. So D Isaac will be debited because he is receiving now. Earlier he had given. Now he will be receiving. So D Isaac will be debited and machinery will be credited. Why machinery is going out, is giving. So that is given out, given away. So a debtor N link pays us by check. So what is happening? Money is coming into bank. Money is coming into bank, and who is giving? And Lin is giving. And Lin is giving. So he is the person who is giving. So bank we are receiving. So what is received? Money is being received in bank. Bought van by cash. So what is happening? Van is coming in, van is being received, and cash is being given. So remember the rules, accounting rules. So and then do the problem. So now the concept should be clear to you. So we'll catch up, or you can do this as a homework. So you can do this as homework. So suppose you have any doubts, you can ask. You can put a query in the comments to this class in the video. So I will definitely explain this. So you can have a look at this question. So here, complete the following table: accounts to be debited, accounts to be credited. Bought lorry for cash, bought lorry for cash. Paid creditor to elect by check. Repaid P loan by cash. Paid salary, repaid fees loan cash by cash, sold lorry for cash, bought office machinery on credit from Ultra Limited, a debtor he pays us by cash, a debtor J Cross pays us by check, proprietor puts a further amount into the business by check, a loan of 200 in cash is received from LO, so paid a creditor D not by cash. So try this question on your own. So don't try to copy. So please try understand because this is very important concept. Otherwise, going further, you will struggle to understand. So ultimately, you may not understand and you will face difficulties. So please try to understand. So and do the problem. And if you have any doubts, please let me know as a comment in the comment section. Till then, have a good day.